Welcome to Crypto Corner. This is Andy and Nicole. Over the weekend, we shared some videos with value. We talked about DeFi and an exciting week last week. What I'm going to share with you today, hopefully you can see this on my screen. It's a chart. It's not a price chart. This isn't Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's not the hash rate, but this is much more important than either of them, because it being April, being financial education month, and we're starting with cryptocurrency here, what gives something value? Yesterday, we talked about all the peripheral or values that I see in cryptocurrency, from privacy to consensus to freedom. We, the people, having our own money that we can own, maintain, and control. So when we look at value at coins and we look at cryptocurrency, I liken it to the dot-com boom, where every day there was a new business. If you had a .com on the end of your business, why, of course, you are a turnkey worldwide business. Same thing applies in cryptocurrency. There's a lot of coins out there that are just coins that have no utility, have no monetary velocity. They're not gathering market share. They're not acquiring customers. So, like many of you know, I believe that there's a boom and a bust, and everything's cyclical, just like the .com boom. We're going through a coin.com, if you will. So which coins are going to make it, and which one of the 10,000 coins that are currently on an exchange not going to make it? How will you determine its value? What are you looking for? What's the foundation? Are you in it just to make money? Are you in it to try to change the lives of those who will come after us, namely our children? So this is actually the new wallet customer acquisition, if you will. So these are unique wallets. And as you can see, since the inception of 2009, today, now this goes to 2020. I followed it, the most recent chart that I have. So in evaluating cryptocurrency, or maybe you're looking at a new coin, do some research, because the best indicator that depicts value is customer acquisition, market penetration, and that can be defined or qualified by unique wallets. The bigger the ecosystem, the more value it becomes. So hopefully that analogy gives you a place to start when you're researching these coins. So how do you choose a coin? What are you looking for? And we've talked about customer acquisition, market penetration, defined by unique wallets. That to me is step number one, because without those things, you're going to get yourself in a coin where there might be limited liquidation. You might not be able to come and go or maneuver as you deem necessary, because there's not enough volume, there's not enough monetary velocity, meaning it has very little utility. It's not being used for anything. So we look at the foundational aspects of it. Customer acquisition is unique wallets, in my opinion. So some of these coins that come out, and what's their marketing plan? How are they going to utilize the coin? What's their distribution model? How many coins are there? Who's the ownership? Do they have experience in this? Have they built a multinational or multi-billion-dollar company in the past? And there's some that have, that I feel very confident of following them, investing in there, whether it be DeFi. Maybe some people get into there's gaming and gambling and DeFi and decentralized coins, decentralized exchanges. So there's lots of opportunities in this space, but how do you choose? How do you distinguish between a true value of something that's going to stand the test of time and have longevity, or is it all built on hype? I mean, social media is just look at Dogecoin right now, because it's got all the media hype or social media hype. And I remember when it came out years ago. Do I have some? Yeah, but it was one of those things long before I knew what cryptocurrency was all about. And I just kept them. I mean, it was early on. They were very inexpensive. And here, I've had to wait to realize that profit. But hey, it's worth it. But by no means would I even consider getting into Dogecoin right now. I mean, One thing I can tell you about it, there'll be some winners, and there already are, but there'll be many more losers than there are winners. And that's the sad thing about it. These pumps and dumps on these coins that are simply worthless is just amazing. The fear of missing out, people get caught up in the moment. They see a shiny new disc ball and a new cryptocurrency, and it's like winning the lotto. You know, it's 0.0001 Satoshi, meaning it's 10 cents or whatever it is. And I'm going to buy 1 million of them. And in 5 years, you're going to become a multimillionaire. Simply isn't the case. There's too much competition these days. So the other big thing that, a mistake early on, we trusted people to, help us navigate cryptocurrency. And unfortunately, he was not of good moral character. And well, we had coins that went missing. Let's put it that way. I don't like to call people out, but they know who they are. And there's a lot of opportunities out there that are what I call fluff. They sound good, they look good, but guys, the most important thing of any of these, can you implement this big dream? I mean, you set these high expectations of X, and very few companies ever meet that expectation. As a matter of fact, over the last 5 years, if you look at an ICO, initial coin offering, 50% of ICOs never even see an external exchange. So my point is, be careful out there, guys. There's some really great marketers and people that know how to work the system and build up the hype. Well, take the Wall Street gurus that all of a sudden, since cryptocurrency is very profitable, they're in it, they jumped in like crazy. Not that they believe in the mission, not that they believe in the vision of what it truly is. They're in it because they're greedy, because they're there to, earn profits for their investors. But a lot of them are sneaky. These big Wall Street types come down. They don't know anything about cryptocurrency, but they do know how to make money. And you're in one of those situations when you get an email or you click on a link and, to find out more, you got to watch this video. And this video within the first 2 minutes talks about, new undiscovered. If you'd have done this, you would have earned this. And they're easy to recognize. They start off with, if you would have bought coin ABC at 18 months ago, you would have realized a 17,000% return. And they go on and on and on, coin after coin after coin after coin. Well, I'm not impressed. Guys, save your money. Some of these outfits charge $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. Take your money, invest it in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and save yourself the 3 coins they're going to recommend, because everybody's a damn expert in a bull run of the most valuable asset on the planet for 7 years. It's not rocket science. These people are not special. Use some common sense, save your money, invest your money. You'll learn as you go. And if you just follow some very easy, simple steps, customer acquisition, market penetration, unique wallets, who are the owners? Does it have monetary velocity? Does it solve a problem? Do you see it being here 10 years from now? These are all basic, easy things to help you become a better steward of money. Remember, there's no tether here. This is Bitcoin. This is big boy money. The banks aren't going to bail you out. You're not going to get a stimulus check or any of that kinds of stuff. So there's a lot of very good marketers out there, is my point, and they're vested. You can bet that the coin that they're representing, they've already got the strike price. They're already in and working and trying to massage that marketing so people jump into the coin. So now they've made money on the marketing side of it, and then they made money on the organic growth because they've been pumping this coin to their viewership or their subscribers. And some of them have hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And then once the subscribers come in, they sell, but they never tell you about that. So don't get caught up in all the hype and all the nonsense. Look for true, prudent investments by doing some value. Look at what value truly is in this space. Follow the money. With that, I hope you do safe investing. Hope you have a great week. I wanted to get this out, expand upon what I believe is value and why we've been really so successful in this space is we don't fall for the hype. Now, are we perfect? No. Have we been caught up a couple of times? Yes. So hopefully that helps you. Take your time, especially if you're new. Do your research. The majority of these coins have white papers. They explain what they're doing, what markets and verticals that they're trying to establish. So hopefully this helps you, both short term and long term. That's it for right now. Have a great day, and we will talk.